it's Thursday today and it's Thursday Trivia Day Language Edition with my advisory class. And sila yung challenger ko for today. The longest Filipino word according to the UP Dictionary of Filipino is pinaka nakapagpabagawag damdamin. Pinaka nakapagpabagawag damdamin.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now the challenge is, kailangan nilang i-repeat yun ng walang error for 3 times. We have, how many challengers? 5 na. At ang reward ay isang cook sakto. Okay, are you ready, challengers? Are you ready? Yes! Okay, let's begin.
Pinakapagbalagabag. Pinakapagkabagabag. Okay na. Pinakapagbalagabag.
Pinaka nakapagpabag. Ah, may namatay na.
Ma'am, tulog aja.
And Pochi for our non-winners. Thank you so much for participating, my dearest advisory class. Nahulog pa yung Pochi. Thank you for watching. Bye!